What's up, guys? Well, I'm up here in Wisconsin, and it's a little noisy because I'm over here close to a highway right here. But I'm getting ready to have a barbecue because the John Deere dealership right here that I'm supposed to deliver at was not open today. And right here is my barbecue grill that I'm getting ready to throw some meat on. Right there, right there. Can't even point right. So, yeah, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. And this is what happens on the weekend when you don't have anything to do. Barbecue time. And I got Shasta over there. What she found, but I'm about to go pick it up because I think she found something dead and she's rolling in it. Lovely. I'm recording all of this on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Everything is doing with the selfie cam, so we'll see how it goes. I turned this on 1080p for the selfie cam. And here's my food right there. I got my tongs ready to go. And then Shasta's still over here somewhere. There she is right there. She's doing something. She's chewing on something. Maybe something she ain't supposed to be chewing on, but oh well. What can you do? It's a dog. But, you know, one of these pieces of meat right here is for Shasta. Shasta, you hear your name over there? Yeah, Shasta hears her name, so I gotta get this meat flipped real quick. All right, hold on a second. All right, so I pulled off a piece from the grill. I'm letting it cool down right now. It's a piece of pork, you know, porky pig. I'm letting it cool down. That's a good thing about these tongs here, that holds on to everything you grab onto. Except for one of the pieces fell off on the ground and I tossed it to Shasta. So, I gotta raise this back up so I can show y'all everything I got in there and how it's cooking. So, that's what it's looking like right now. So I'll get back to y'all in just a little bit. I'm out here cooking my meat. Yeah, so it's looking good. I marinated the meat, I cooked the meat, I flipped the meat, and now I took the meat off. And I didn't show you that, but oh well. But here's the meat right now. I got my carnitas right here, the pork pieces right there. And then right here I got the T-bone steak. And I gotta go in here and make the rest of my food here in just a minute. And that's about it. So what I do after I cook my food is I turn the grill all the way up to where it's as high as it'll go on the heat, and I will cook off anything that's on the grill platform there, and that way I can scrape it clean here in a little while before putting it away. And then that way it's ready to go for the next time. More or less speaking, the next time. Which will probably be tomorrow because I'm going to be here all weekend. Today is Saturday. Sunday I'll be here. I'll be here Monday until about 7:30 in the morning. I'll empty out right here, or not empty out, unload I think 5 units here. So I've got 5 John Deere tractors, kind of like what's lined up right here on these racks. I've got 5 of those coming here, and then I go up the road about 30 miles and deliver some more tractors up there. And then from there it's about another 50 or 75 miles past there to a city in Michigan, right on the border. And then I have to go across a bridge that's like 25 or 30 bucks to go across the bridge into Michigan. And then I got 2 cities on that side to deliver to. One of them's up by Clare, Michigan. Some friends of mine live up there, but they're busy with the coronavirus stuff going on right now, or the CCP virus, or COVID-19, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm not going to be visiting with them on this trip, but it was just a coincidence that I got this trip. I didn't ask for it. Well, I did suggest taking it, but I didn't think that I would actually get to meet with them because of the COVID stuff going on. So that's what's been going on for me this week. Before I left the yard down in Illinois, I worked on some stuff. I put this together right here, this wrap on my cords. That's on a previous video. I haven't done any editing with that video yet, so I might just go ahead and do that now. So I'll talk at y'all later. I gotta go get Miss Shasta. She's over there. Looks like she's digging a hole right now. So she's over there digging a hole in the backyard of John Deere. I got Ricky Monday texting me right now. I don't know what he said. Something about transmission on his car. I'm not sure. Wish I could go live. This smoke is kind of thick. Hey, look at this. My campsite for the day. So yeah, got this smoke tunnel going on right now. What's going on, everybody? I'm over here in Neenah, Wisconsin. I just finished my barbecue and me and Shasta pigged out. We got full. We were fools. No, we got full. And I'm stuffed. Now I gotta let this settle and go for a run here in a little bit. Put on some other tennis shoes and go for a hike. And there's a park right across from where I'm delivering. Oh, so if you're using an iPhone and you're doing selfie type videos like this right here where you're looking at yourself, here's something you could do, is touch the screen where it's the brightest. Not where it's the darkest, but where it's the brightest. So like I'm going to touch the darkest part of the screen. That's the darkest part of the screen. So wherever it's the lightest part of the screen, touch the lightest part of the screen. Like that. And that fixes your brightness issues that you're having with your cameras. I've been watching a few videos where people have lighting problems where everything is too light or too dark or whatever. So you can change it like this. So that way you get the lighting corrected to wherever you need it to be. Yeah, so if it's too bright, you can actually get it even darker than that. Or you can lighten it up like this. So once you touch on the screen to where it's really bright, you can actually hold your finger on the button and raise it up and down. Here, I'll do it right now. Put my finger on the screen. It locked in place. Here it is. So you can raise it up and down and get it where you need it. And I don't want my face too bright and I don't want it too dark, but then I don't want the outside to blow up like it's super bright outside. And just lower it down to where your face is lit up, but the window is not lit up so bright that it looks like a giant flashlight outside. So that's about it. Just want to let y'all see a little super trick. And I'm on an iPhone, so it probably works pretty close to the same on Android. So talk to y'all later. See y'all on the next video. Oh, so if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification if you want to get notified when I post a video. And, you know, maybe even hit the like button if you liked watching my video. So I'll talk to y'all later.